If you're just getting started making jewelry, these are the mistakes I wish someone had warned me about. I have shipped over 100,000 plus orders across multiple selling platforms. And trust me, I made just about every one of these mistakes myself. Hopefully, I can save you some time, money, and frustration. Watch me as I make these earrings and go over these tips that will hopefully help you. Number one, buying too many supplies before learning the basics. It's exciting to shop, but don't spend hundreds of dollars until you know exactly what you enjoy making. Number two, using the wrong tools. Look, tools won't magically make you a better jewelry maker, but the right pliers and the right cutters will make the process much easier. Trust me. Number three, ignoring quality. Cheap jump rings, weak wire, or poor findings can ruin an otherwise beautiful piece, and you don't want that. Mistake four, trying to make everything: necklaces, earrings, bracelets, waist beads, keychains. Pick one or two things first and get really good at them and then move on. Trust me, I'm definitely not saying don't make what you want. I make everything, but I'm just saying take your time and learn and master one thing at a time. Which brings me to mistake number five, not practicing enough. Your first pieces probably won't be perfect, and that's okay. But every piece teaches you something. Don't give up. And this is one we all have heard before, I'm sure. Mistake number six, pricing too low. Your time has value. Don't race to the bottom just because you're new. Number seven, ignoring your target customer. Just because you like making something doesn't mean people want to buy it. Pay attention to what customers actually purchase and let that help guide you to your next product line. Number eight, bad product photos. Okay, this is a big one. You can make the most beautiful jewelry in the world, but if your photos aren't clear, people will keep scrolling. Good lighting makes a huge difference. Going from different angles, showing the piece on your body, etc., will help the customer and help you gain a sale. Trust me. Number nine, trying to copy everyone else. It's okay to get inspired, but don't build your business copying someone else's style. Your uniqueness is what makes people remember you. Although it may sometimes take some time to find your people, trust me, they will find you and you will find them. And number 10, and this is the big one, waiting until everything is perfect. This might be the biggest mistake of all, for real. You don't need the perfect logo, perfect website, or perfect product photos to start. Done is almost always better than perfect. Now, with all that being said, if you're new to making jewelry, let me know in the comments what you're struggling with. I read every comment and I enjoy your questions. And if you enjoy learning about jewelry making, running a handmade business, and seeing what goes on behind the scenes, I'd love for you to subscribe. More videos coming soon. See you next time.